Alright guys, the video you're about to see, I wasn't originally going to put it on YouTube. I just didn't think, that it was super important, whatever, seeing as there was so many videos on these Cybernet VCOs. But then, I was about to delete it off my phone and I realized, you know what, maybe this has some good information that's not available, on the other videos. So yeah, so what you're about to see is that VCO that went into that C.S. Simpson CB. So alright, hopefully you guys can get something from that video. Alright guys, on the bench here we got that, well, we got a few things, but this is related to that C.S. Simpson radio that I've been working on. And you can see here we have VCO related stuff. So well, first I'd like to thank Mike from Mike's Radio Repair for actually showing us techs how to repair one of these, because up until then I either just bricked the CB or these things were available from Spectrum Communications. Those that's what I would normally do. But yeah, once I saw Mike fix and show us the procedure on how to fix these, this is what I started doing along with these. But anyway, the yeah, I'd like to thank those two places anyway for for helping me out with this. So one, Spectrum Communications for helping me out in this particular case with this missing component here. So yeah, so I've done, this is my fourth one that I've repaired. But when I went on this other side here, the bit I was using on the rotary tool broke and nicked the piece that was normally in there out, flung it right out. And I was a little annoyed because there's no videos that show what that piece actually is, and there's basically no schematics or diagrams on what that should be. So when I had contacted Spectrum Communications on ordering one of these, I asked them, I said, hey, seeing as you reverse engineered these, I sent them a picture of this. I said, what the hell goes in there? And he got back to me. I wasn't expecting anybody to get back to me, but he actually did, which was nice. And he told me that it was just a 68 picofarad ceramic capacitor. And sure enough, when I put one in, I was kind of skeptical as to what it was, because when you look in there, it doesn't look like a 68 picofarad capacitor. But when I put this back into the CB with that capacitor installed, it worked. So I was happy that that was the case. So the purpose of this video, what is it? So if you do decide to attempt this on your own and you change out the electrolytic and you get your NT612 in there, and you don't nick or don't touch that, you're golden. But for those of us who, like I said, I've done 4 of these already, and this is the first one where I kind of messed up. Well, the bit broke. I was kind of like, what the hell, I'd searched and searched and searched, couldn't find any information. So fortunately, Spectrum Communications got back to me and told me, yeah, it's just a 68 picofarad capacitor, and it works. So, but if you guys obviously don't want to go through this, risk, messing up anything else, these work fine. These work great. I think there's another company in Australia, I think, that makes these as well. But yeah, this was a direct replacement for the VCO, and it worked well. So I'm probably just going to keep this one in stock, and you know, kind of use it as a, I guess, a diagnosing tool or whatever, you know, or use it to install. I don't know, but it'll be in stock, and I'm going to put this one back in, resolder these edges on this RF shielding can, and put this back in for the customer. But yeah, I hope this helps anybody that has attempted this and has, you know, went too far and, you know, ground out that piece, or, you know, like myself, had it fling out when the bit broke, what it actually is. So that's a 68 picofarad ceramic capacitor. All right, guys, hope that helps. All right, guys, got that VCO in. Got the side soldered. It's completely sealed now. And yeah, it's looking good. Looking good. Really happy with this repair. And I'm sure the customer will be too. Thanks for watching, guys.
Hey, come on, UK. 850 Pensacola, Florida. Roger that there in the UK. I missed your number, sir, but I appreciate it. You coming through here loud and proud too, man. 850 Pensacola, Florida, we're standing by.
Station Pensacola, have yourself a good afternoon, sir. 160 for 6.
Roger that, 160 Bristol, England. Man, you are so loud over here right now, crystal clear. That's the best audio I've heard from the UK this week. 850 waving at you there, man. Have a good rest of your day.
850, man, you're 20 dB, you're stomping all with a strawberry passion, man, absolutely gorgeous. You've been a very good audio. If I sound half as good as you, I am one half of Pensacola, but
I guarantee you 160, you can be happy, man, because that's crystal clear, perfect audio, man. Waving at you from Gulf Coast to Pensacola, Florida, sir. Have a good day. 850, we're standing by.
160, you sound real good around Daytona Beach, Florida. 160.
Come on, 333 in New York, man, right back at you. She just holding the window open for everything on the north to the northeast of where I'm at. 850 waving at you there, 333 in New York.
Hello, what's the hell in New York? 143 want to know.
320 Boston, Massachusetts, waving. 320 Boston, Massachusetts, waving. For anybody that's got a copy on this.
Marty got you, come on. I'm flying across the ocean. Yeah, this is the one in the front row. Yeah, that sucker's loud. They both all kind of same? Yeah. You think this one's louder? Yeah. Okay, well, this is the one I talk on the most, the one here by my chair. Yeah, this one's louder than the last one. No, even from 140 around Jamaica, good evening. I gotcha. Is that Jimmy Hopper out of Dallas or Fort Worth, Jeff Blake? Hey, Wonder Bar. Look at that show, black gorilla, because I'm hungry. Hey, Wonder Bar. Hey, Wonder Bar. Look at that silver black gorilla when I hit my chest. Bam, bam, bam. Yes, sir.